Hi, I'm Gina. I'm with Brown County Public Health, and today I'm here to talk to you about warewashing. So you're either in your establishment going to have a 3 to 4 compartment sink or dishwasher. Sometimes you'll have both, which is a nice backup option too, but we're going to talk about each one individually today. So here we have a glass washer. With these, it's important to make sure that they're clean. I think that's the biggest thing that people miss is it's cleaning your dishes, it needs to be clean to clean your dishes. So in here we have a nice clean one. We're ready to go. Now that we know it's clean, we can load it up. Okay, so there are many machines out there for dishwashing. So this one specifically is a glass washer. It's important to look at the data plate and make sure you know what you're working with. This one also is a high temp. Some may use chemicals to sanitize. This one uses hot water. In that case, you have to have these irreversible temperature gauges or stickers. They have different styles. We happen to have the stickers. They kind of look like this. It's a thermal paper. You have to stick it to an item in the dishwasher. We're gonna run a cycle, and what we're hoping for is that turns black. That means it's sanitized. If it doesn't, that means it didn't get hot enough and we didn't sanitize, and then we've got to do some troubleshooting. Well, this one runs. Maybe we can run back to the other machine and take a peek at that one, and we'll look at a different style. This is a larger machine. This is where we're going to be able to do all of our kitchen dishwashing. The same thing, you're going to want to make sure everything is nice and clean on the inside. And for this one, it uses a chlorine sanitizer. So once it's ready to go, you've got it filled, you run a cycle. Down here we have the bucket of sanitizer, so you want to find the directions and see what concentration you're looking for. Directions for use, okay. So it looks like we're going to look for about 100 parts per million for our strength on this one. Just to keep things moving, at the end, once this cycle has gone through, I would take a test strip, dip it in, and then compare it to this pea here. We're gonna try to get that medium purple color. If it's not that color, then we'd want to call our company or our maintenance and try to figure out what's going on with the machine. Okay, so our cycle is finished. On this particular machine, this water is actually going to have the proper concentration of sanitizer in it if everything went well. All right, we're going to compare to our guide. You always have to make sure you have the guide with your strips, and that's perfect. It's right in that 50 to 100 range. So this machine is good to go. We can use it to wash our dishes, wash and sanitize our dishes now. Before I had mentioned that there's also an option to wash your dishes manually. We don't have that set up here, but I'm going to just explain it to you quickly. So normally it's going to be a 3-compartment sink, and you always do soap. You want to wash your dishes first, then you rinse, and then you sanitize. If there is a 4th compartment, that compartment cannot be used for hand washing. That compartment is used for pre-scraping or pre-washing. Okay, so our cycle is complete. Now it's time to check. I did check this or watch this gauge as the cycle went, and it hit that minimum of 180, so that's good. Hopefully that's an accurate gauge. And when we open the dishwasher here, fantastic. Our indicator turned black, which means everything got hot enough and everything has been sanitized. The last thing I want to mention with dishwashing is air drying everything. Everything must be air dried. If you grab a towel, you don't know that it is necessarily clean, and now you could actually contaminate everything that has just been sanitized. So once everything's air dried, use clean hands, unload, put it away, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching.